What's up guys, my name's Edward Song, and today I actually got my shift stopper. It's about 15 bucks. It looks like this, and I got it on Amazon because I didn't want to buy it from Perrine, which is about like 40-50 bucks, and I don't think a product like this should be, you know, costing me that much. So I'll be showing you guys how to install it. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and I hope it helps you guys out. So all you really need to do is just basically slowly take this cover off. And after you take the cover off, you honestly just need to take these two 10mm bolts off and then replace it with the two bolts they gave you, and then with the basically the bushing or the washer, you just put it in between these two bolts, and then hopefully this helped you out. So this is what it should look like at the end. I left gaps in between, if you guys can see, and then now first and second are going in a lot smoother. Those are the only two gears it actually affects, but I actually lost this bushing down here, which was pretty much of a struggle because I had to take this entire center console out to get that bushing out, or that washer out. But everything went well besides that, and then I just need to put everything back together and it should look perfectly fine at the end. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and comment below. Thanks.